Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As is the month of Ramadan, what have we learned from Juz 1? Subhanallah, we've learned that we seek guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at least 17 times a day. That's if you pray your 5 daily prayers. And my dear respected brothers, and my dear respected sisters, when we say Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim, we are asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance. But Allah gives us the answer in the very next surah, in Surah Baqarah. And starts off with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alif Lam Mim, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. This is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you the guidance. For those that want guidance is through the Quran. For those of you that are cherishing your moments on this earth, understand that it is everything on this earth that leads you to misguidance except the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So my dear respected brothers and sisters, understand this is a month of the Quran. This is a month for you to reconnect with the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and do not underestimate that the book of Allah